This tutorial demonstrates how to use keyboard shortcuts to quickly sum data in Excel. First, here's the long way. Start typing equals sum. Use Shift and the arrow keys to select the numerical range, excluding Jan, which is text. Hit Enter to finish. Now let's see the shortcut. Hit the Alt key followed by the equal sign. Hit Enter to finish. Let's use these shortcuts again to complete the table. Alt equals also works to sum horizontally. Select cells at the end of the array, hit Alt equals, and press Enter. For more Tuesday time savers, modeling tips, and Marquee group training programs, let's connect.